In Alabama until about 3 p.m. This storm brings the threat of damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. Storm motion is east at about 45 miles per hour. Head indoors immediately. Stay away from windows and secure loose objects outside. Frequent lightning means you're in the danger zone. Keep yourself safe. Heads up, alert upgraded for Jackson County. Severe thunderstorm watch upgraded to severe thunderstorm warning. Heads up, new severe thunderstorm warning issued for Jackson, Franklin. You now have 13 active threats. Severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin, Jackson. Severe thunderstorm watch for Colbert, Coleman, DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall, Moore, Morgan.